it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics with a stunning quilt today called Aglow by Nancy Rink. You probably have heard of that amazing lady. She's an incredible fabric and pattern designer, and she actually created Aglow a few years back. And I've always loved this quilt. We've done it a few times. When I saw Wilmington's collection called Radiance, I said, this is the perfect marriage of an amazing design with beautiful fabric. I love the range of the blues. I could easily see this quilt in my own home or maybe giving as a spectacular gift. So let me tell you what we're doing with this particular kit. We got some advanced yardage so that we could make the sample. You're able to see just how spectacular the design is, how large the quilt is. And look at these big open areas of cream. That allows you to do some custom quilting. We did that. Something that looks so plain now becomes just like a decoration, an extra part of the quilt. We quilted this on our Amara 24 by Handy Quilter, and the Amara 24 did a great job. But here's the great news. If this speaks to your heart the way it does to mine, you can make a small deposit. We call it a reserve, where you're reserving a kit for you. And of course, don't forget this amazing backing. $10 deposit today goes toward the cost of the kit, and just a $5 deposit goes toward the cost of that backing. Of course, we've had to guess at the number of kits. And after seeing the sample quilt, I think, again, we probably underestimated that. So if this is definitely speaking to your heart, you're going to want to reserve both the quilt kit and the backing. These are the notions that our team used to put together this amazing pattern. Obviously, we tested the pattern. It was a beautiful pattern. These are the rulers that the team used. They mentioned to me in the assembly that how this was achieved was actually with some strip sets. And then they were cut on an angle. And the lines on the Creative Grid ruler here were what helped them dial in that perfect angle to make that cut. They definitely mentioned the importance of a fresh blade in the rotary cutter, patchwork pins, and even the seam guide if you have any challenges with dialing in that perfect 1/4 inch seam allowance. So that is something that they definitely wanted me to mention to you. We have the 2.5 by 24.5 inch because we like to cut our binding strips to that width. The corner clipper is how we spliced a lot of our strips together. So we have just a beautiful, perfect miter. And they also mentioned they like the 2.5 by 6.5 because there's some patchwork at the top and the bottom of this quilt that's probably out of your visual sight right now. That once they made their strip sets, they wanted to be able to use an exact ruler to subcut those, and they used this ruler for that purpose. But just like any reserve that we have, the most important thing, because it's so limited, is to reserve your kit and reserve your backing. That is a finite amount. We can always get more notions, but this we cannot add to. We've already been informed of that. We already asked when I saw the quilt in person, because I had only designed it digitally. Then when I saw the quilt, I'm like, oh my, this is a showstopper. This is spectacular. So if that's you and you know this is one you need to have in your home or be able to give as an amazing gift, head to the website right now to make that $10 deposit toward your kit, $5 toward your backing, and pick up any notions you might need.